Hello, Honors Chem students. Mr. Keister here with you again today. This is the video for Friday, October 9th, 2020, which is our scheduled 36th day of school for the fall semester. Always keep in mind, though, that the dates could change for a variety of reasons, but the lessons and the order that those lessons are presented will remain the same regardless. So as we go to our do nows and see our schedule today, I want to first tell you that this particular video is just an intro video, all right? Starting today, we are going to follow a path in regards to our lessons that has already been taken by Chem 2. Of course, kids in Chem 2 have had chemistry before, regular chemistry. And so they, in regards to content, are about 1 month ahead of you guys. So I do a lot of review in there initially, and then pick up with new things. And so what is review for them is new for you, of course. But as far as the order of the lessons, we're now going to be on a path that follows that of Chem 2 for a while. That isn't permanent. I go off in different directions with the two classes. But at least for now, what you're going to be seeing is, starting today, is a short intro video from me like this one that will just go over our daily schedule. And then I will have you then click on the video for the actual lesson. So what I'll do is have you skip ahead the first few minutes of those lessons. You can, of course, skip ahead. And that way you miss out on the do nows for Chem 2, because, of course, they're not the same as yours. It's for a different day and for a different unit number and all that stuff. But don't let that concern you, because the lesson itself will be correct. All right? The lesson itself will be correct. Now, as far as today's, let me double check real quick. Yes, when I'm finished with this intro video and you go to the actual lesson video, you may skip ahead about the first 3 minutes and 25 seconds, right in there somewhere. So that will get you past the do nows for Chem 2 and some things that I talked about specifically for Chem 2, and take you straight about to the beginning of the actual lesson, which then would be the same for you. So don't let any reference to Chem 2 or a particular date or a particular unit throw you off. Just remember that the lesson itself is correct. All right. So let's go on then with the intro to this particular day, and then I will sign off, and you can then go to the actual lesson video. So today we're going to start a new unit. All right. Unit 3.1. So you got a calendar to pick up. Symbols of common elements. Yep, we're going to have you memorize some symbols. Probably a lot of them you know already. Throughout your work in bio and middle school science. A new notes packet, an atomic theory history assignment, and a handout on the history of the atomic model. Getting a lot of stuff today. And, of course, a periodic table. Yeah, we've been in school. Geez, how long have we been in school? 7 weeks now, I think, and we are finally getting to a periodic table. But you know, chemistry isn't all about a periodic table, as you already know. We've done a lot of chemistry already, and that didn't require the use of a periodic table, but now we do. So from yesterday, there was nothing, because we had a test, of course, yesterday. I hope to have your exam graded and returned to you hopefully by Monday. If not, then it'll be Tuesday. I still have some students who haven't taken it, plus with all the grading and the graphing and the computational work involved, that type of test takes quite a bit of time to grade by hand. So, especially when you're correcting everything. So be patient with me. Should have them back Monday or Tuesday. So homework for today and tomorrow. There is a lot to do. So we're going to quickly go over the symbols of 39 of the most commonly used elements in this class. That will be on the lesson video that you will watch after this intro. You are to have them memorized by this Tuesday. All right. You'll have a quiz over them the last 10 minutes of class on Tuesday. So between now and then, I don't care, make flashcards or a Quizlet or whatever you need to do to memorize them. You'll take a practice quiz over them on Monday, the last 5 minutes of class. That'll just won't count. It'll just be to let you know where you stand on those things. The real quiz will be on Tuesday. Next, let me advance the page here so you can see it. Next up, after I go over that, you are to complete the atomic theory history assignment using your 3-1 notes packet. That is due Monday at the beginning of class. I'll be collecting that for a grade. All right, so do that second. Next, I want you to watch these videos. They're all quite short that I have uploaded to Canvas on the calendar. All right, Democritus, Aristotle, Dalton, Thomson, Rutherford, Chadwick, and Bohr. All right, all of them are quite short. You're probably looking at less than 30 minutes for all of them combined. These videos give excellent additional information on each of the scientists that I discuss in the notes, and they'll be helpful along with the notes and the listed pages in your online textbook in completing the handout. So at the top of the Unit 3 handout, the history of the atomic model, there's a reference to some pages in your online textbook, which of course you access through your Mastering Chemistry homepage. All right, so when you click into Mastering and get to the homepage, your textbook will be right there. You can click on it and get to the pages from that. So this handout, History of the Atomic Model, is also due Monday by the beginning of class. And then the other thing, once having completed the handout and the assignment, you are to take the Unit 3 Atomic Theory, History, Reading, and Research quiz in Canvas. All right? The quiz is open notes. So it'd be very, very important to have your assignment finished, have your note packet in front of you, and have your Unit 3 handout completed and finished. Have those 3 things in front of you when you take the quiz. If you do that, you shouldn't have any problems with it. All right? So that it needs to be taken by 3:30 p.m. on Monday. That is when it closes, and when it closes, it's closed, meaning if you haven't done it, you get a 0. All right? So that quiz in Canvas, open note, needs to be taken by 3:30 p.m. on Monday. I would suggest that if you get your work done today during class and the rest of it sometime over the weekend, that you go ahead and take that quiz over the weekend and not wait until Monday, because I guarantee you're not going to have any time in class on Monday to take it. And it's due Monday by 3:30. So that's up to you when you take it, but just keep in mind the deadline is 3:30 p.m. Monday. So if you get everything done over the weekend, which you should, since you have stuff due on Monday, I take the thing over the weekend. While you're at home, have everything there in front of you. It's open note, and be done with it. All right. But again, that's up to you. Just make sure you are aware of the deadline. So that takes care of this intro video. Like I said, once you close this thing out, you will go to the actual lesson video, which again is a repeat of a lesson I gave about a month ago in Chem 2. So again, don't worry yourselves about a date or references to Chem 2 or a unit number, because they're not the same. All right, they're not the same, but the lesson is the same. So that's all that's important. All right. So till next time, this is Mr. Keister signing off. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. Keep working hard and stay focused. Catch you later.